give me a purpose. Show me your plan. Use me anyway, however you can. Give me wisdom, help me understand. Give me faith to put my trust in your hand. What's the point in writing a song that doesn't help someone change? What's the point in singing a song that doesn't glorify Jesus' name? I need a song